That's wild. But that's a good fucking look, bro. Big up yourself, dog. You inspire me. Me of all person, you inspire me straight through, bro. I know you inspire a whole heap of other people, a whole heap of other youths, a whole heap of other women, a whole heap of, bro, you inspire a whole generation, dog. Big woman thing. Within this last 10 months, you have inspired a whole bunch, a whole plethora of people, like a whole generation, bro. People who only grew up coming hear about you, right now they must see the things them. You get me? I said they must see things them like, you know, probably not in front of them, yeah, about pandemic media. They must see the things them, bro, and that inspiring, bro. Go and do it. Bro, right now, me not put nothing past it, bro. More surprised if me get up a man and see you buy one next one. Come like, it's like every stage show you do, you buy a house, dog, I say go. Every stage show you do, you buy a house.